With isosceles triangles, it's important to understand that base angles will be congruent. The base angles are the two angles that are opposite the congruent sides. So the two sides that are equal to each other in this example, KI and JI, those two are congruent. So these are the base angles and they will be congruent, which means the measures equal each other. So we set them equal to each other, solve for X. Now the question is, what was the question? Oh, find the degree measure. Because they're equal to each other, we just have to go back in and plug in X. And you don't have to do both of them. I mean, you can, and it would really be a good check. And then, so you know that those two are 61, and then you can find out the missing one because all three have to add to 180. So you can add the two together and subtract your answer from 180. Oh my goodness. Okay, this will be fun. So they're not giving us the base angles. So we know that to get all, like we can add all three to get 180, which is what I would do. So I'm going to say here, angle Q is 2x plus 20. So if I add them all together, I'm going to get 180. So I have 2x plus 5x is 7x plus 2x is 9x. 20 plus 20 is 40 plus 14 is 54. So I subtract 54 from 180 and I get 126, I think, equals 9x. Let's see if that's right. So 10, 7, yeah. And then I divide by 9, and 9 goes into that evenly. So 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. So since x is 14, I'm going to double that, get 28, plus 20 is 48. So I know R and Q are both, what did I say, 48? Wait a minute, 28. Yeah, 48. Okay, then I'm going to do 180 minus 48 minus 48. That'll give me the third angle, which is 84. So this one will be 84. Oh my goodness. That was fun. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, these two have to be equal to each other because these are the base angles. So if I do 2x plus 23 equals 3x plus 10, I can subtract 2x and then minus 10. So 13 equals x. Huh. I don't like that. Okay, so 23 minus 10 is 13. Okay, so x is 13. So if I want to find out what both D and B are, I'm going to do 13 times 2 is 26 plus 23 is 49. Okay, so that's B and D. And then I'm going to do 180 minus both of those. 82. Nice. Oh, that's so fun. Okay, so again, we're going to do like we did in the first one because these two are congruent, that I know this is going to be 3x plus 14. So I'm going to add them all to get 180. 3 plus 3 plus 2 is 8x. 64 plus 14, 78 plus 14 is 88. 92. Ooh, so I subtract 92. I get 88. Right. Let's see, 180 minus 92. Just double check. Okay, so then I have x is 11. Okay, that's an equal sign, not. Okay, there. So if I have 3x, so 33 plus 14. 47. So both M and L are 47. And then I'm going to do 180 minus 47 minus another 47. 86. And that's the end of the lesson.